Whatever. You ready to continue this fishing journey?
Don't crash, please.
I'm not going to. Thanks for the words of encouragement, son. Love you too. I love you too.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Don't know if you could tell by the brief little intro there, but today we're doing a motorcycle ride and some fishing. Was going to bring the drone along, but the charger port on my phone crapped out, so we didn't get any footage from that today. Hope you guys enjoy what we did get, and stick around to see what my son caught near the end. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Sit back, relax, enjoy the video.
Back roads are fun. Wish I got service.
I got a picture of him. Oh, you got the GoPro?
Yeah.
If he catches a fish, I'm gonna be so mad.
I bet that's what he's doing.
Yeah, I'm gonna catch him.
Aha!
Well, blue.
We'll see it. Hold her up. First fish of the day. Carson didn't get skunked.
Live bait.
Check him out.
Mr. Fishy.
All right.
Mr. Fishy.
Nice. You gotta watch that bobber, man. I looked over here and I seen it go under.
Here, let's not drown him.
All right. Yeah, take him off of there and get it back out there for another one. You can get it popped out.
Got it.
Oh, can you make it? There he goes.
Bye, buddy.
All right. Tell your friends we got more food.
When you came back.
Yeah, the wind just blew it.
You thought something had it?
No, it did. Something did. Look.
Hold it underwater.
It's still biting it.
No, there's too much slack in it. Oh. See if we can get handheld footage with the dock demon.
It's cold.
It's cold.
Wait, so my barber just sit
Up
down.
there goes Vietnam. It has to do. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing.
What's a smaller one?
Oh, nice though. Yeah.
On the
Carson-
catfish setup
Carson
too.
doubled up.
On the catfish setup.
I just dropped my phone in the mud.
Here, can you give me some light?
Yeah.
Try that again. First fishing trip of 2024 in the books. Carson outfished everybody like every time. Only got a couple bluegill on the board, but better than nothing. Right?
Yeah.
Alright, you ready to get on the road?
Yeah.
Alright.
And they kept stealing my bait.
Do a little road wiggle.
Y'all zipped up?
Yep.
No. You ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Nothing at the first spot, like always.
Today, do you need something else?
I didn't know what was wrong.
Or you want to stop at McDonald's or something?
Yeah.
We're gonna get a bite.
Huh?
I was trying to signal to Jeff that we're gonna get a bite to eat. To follow us.
I am sorry for your wait, honey. What can I get started on for you?
Not a problem at all. We're just gonna grab 2 McDoubles and a medium fry.
2 McDouble and 1 medium fry.
Yep.
Would you like to round up to donate to the Ronald McDonald House for charity tonight?
Not tonight.
All right, that'll be 8:09 at the first window, please.
Thank you. How you doing?
Quite different than what I seen last night at that window. I went at that window last night for the first time. Ooh. Oh shoot!
It fell in the crack, didn't it?
It did.
Jeez.
What now?
My lighter.
But I opened that window to hand out food, and this freaking car is like this, aiming nose to nose with the car here. I was like, I looked at the window, I looked over my shoulder, I said, come here, look at this. I said, I'm not seeing things right. This is.
Ah, look, I got it.
I was gonna say, you might be able to use your car
Skinny fingers, it worked.
There you go. That always comes in handy, right?
Thank you.
Go on.
You too.
Be safe.
Will do.
That's
I like your
nice.
helmet.
Thank you.
Cool.
Thank you, you too. You wanna hold it?
Yeah.
We're just gonna pull to the spot over here. Got it. For chow. McDonald's picnic after fishing.
Gotta get McDonald's after fishing. That's the best thing to do. Never go wrong.
Ready for me to come up?
Yeah.
Don't text and drive.
What?
Don't text and drive.
I'm not driving.
Better not drive with that phone in your face. Look like a cop.
Carson.
What? Go get him.
He has the phone in his face.
Go up to his window and steal it.
It would have been funny if somebody was behind him and backed into him, or he backed into him.
Yeah. Grab it out of his hand, but you're not close enough. I can't. Grab it out of his hand, put it in my pocket.
Alright, that's going to wrap things up for this video. If you hung around for the whole thing, thank you. We appreciate it. If you want to see more fishing and motorcycle riding, make sure to drop a comment and a like on this video. We'll see you in the next one. Appreciate y'all watching. Be safe out there. Have a great week. If you want to keep going down the YouTube rabbit hole, as always, it's picked another video for you right here. Peace.